Hello my beauty team. Today we're gonna talk about lips, about neutral colors, because if you're looking right now makeup trend, it is really pastel, very neutral color for the fall. Usually, remember, used to be like burgundy, plummy, but now it's neutral, and I bring into you 5 brand new lip color from Giorgio Armani. They incredible pigmented, hydrating, long wearing, and personally I love how they feels on my lips. And it is velvet formula, and they feels really kind of buttery, velvety. It is truly worth velvety on my lips. Again, look at this beautiful 5 colors. Yes, incredible. First color, which one I have already on my lips, is this one, and it's color 111. Right here, it's on my hand, and it is like light orangey brown. Again, it's like it's a lighter color, and it is very pretty. And you know what, I knew Jennifer Lopez, she used to may have so many like similar lip color, and I think who has little bit olive lip who has olive skin will look incredible on them. But my skin, it's like if a foundation will look in, it's like I'm color buff and undertone neutral, and I love this. And if you like my eye makeup, I use this video is available for you. And I add some bright just eyeliner from another brand. But if you wanna know, just message me on Instagram or comments below. I will tell you all my secret. Okay, then we have another light, and this color 111. It's no shimmer, it's matte. But another 4 color, which one I have, and let me show you a little bit more close. They have like a metallic, but I will say they don't look like, or they have inside shimmer, but they don't look shimmery on the lips at all. Let me put another color. It's a light color, and it's number 109. And you can see this difference. It is big difference. Oh, should I try my lip? Let's do it. I definitely like this color a little bit better on me. And look at this applicator. I like you can make like little details because of this applicator. And again, this is color compared to first one, have a little bit more pinky. It's so pretty. And price point, I believe $38 or $39. Look at this beautiful, beautiful packages. This red top, Giorgio Armani logo. Ooh, so gorgeous. This is its first color, and I want you to compare. This is its second color. Again, this first, it's matte. This one, which one I like, 109, it's have a little bit pinky, and it's have a shimmer a little bit. And now we try another color, and it will be 531. This one, it's looks like it's have little bit shimmer inside too, but you can see it's a little bit deeper color. Ooh, oh my god, so pretty. And what I'm wearing, it goes together. Ooh, I will tell you, formula so velvety, feels so hydrating, and unbelievable how colors it change your entire look. Girls, so far you got already from me 3 colors. Which one your favorite? Let me know. Again, number 1 color, number 2 color, number 3 color, and let's do another one, and it's 532. This will be number 4. They kind of look similar, but let's see. They're very similar looking, but they are different. Now let me show you my hand. 1, 2, 3. And this will be number 4 color. I feel like this more brownie number 4. Let's try. Okay, this is number 4 lip color, and it's okay. I don't think it's something special in this color. Plain. I'm not sure if it's not too bad. It's not like, but it's not wow me like another one, like number 2 and I believe number 3. I really like it. And we're coming to one more color. Will be darkest color, and it's number 1, 1, 2. Again, look at this beautiful, beautiful applicator here. Okay, this is number 5 lip color. It is deepest color in this collection, but I think it looks very pretty. Bye everybody, I hope you like these colors. As formula, it's amazing. Again, from $38 to $39 for this beautiful lip product. And again, I approve. I like how it feels, I like how it looks, and I hope to see you in my next video. Love you more than ice cream.